Hello guys, so what's important on August 22 in history? So before that I'll show you some questions. Okay, this is about Vijayanagara Kingdom, which is UPSC's favorite topic. So questions in 2023, 22, every year it comes. I've taken just 3 questions to fit into this page. So first question, which among the following or who among the following rulers of the Vijayanagara Empire constructed a large dam across the Tungabhadra river and a canal cum aqueduct several kilometers long from the river to the capital city? Okay, so capital city is Hampi. So about that also UPSC questions have come. Tungabhadra river questions have come. So here they have given 4 names of like 4 kings of the Vijayanagara dynasty. Okay, and then 2022 again, Portuguese writer, he has written about the women in Vijayanagara Empire. They were expert in what? Like wrestling, astrology, accounting, soothsaying. So that they have given. And again 2016 taxation system. So I just want to show you the importance of Vijayanagara in your exam. Okay, same like Buddhism and Jainism is a very important topic which nobody skips for the exam. Vijayanagara Empire is also something which you should not skip. Questions are repeatedly coming, that too very detailed questions are coming, okay, which it will be there in your normal textbooks only. In NCERT it will be there, in Tamil Nadu textbook it will be there, in Satish Chandra textbook it will be there, but you have to prepare it, you should not skip it, and it takes some time also. So start in the early phases itself, because you have to memorize a lot of things like these names and taxation systems and ruler names and many things are there. Okay, every year at least one question I am seeing it, so don't take a chance. Even in mains it comes, mains a detailed question comes. So these answers, if you know, you can tell in comment section. We are discussing anyway these in the previous year questions playlist in a different place. But why I am doing this, because some Vijayanagara has a significance today, okay, or at least they are mentioned in today's video. So today what happened in history, one thing is the International Day. United Nations has one day designated as something. So today is International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief. Okay, I think yesterday was the day when the same thing was there, but victims of terrorism. So like that, each day something UN will put or give a date. So today is this particular thing. Okay, then today main important thing is, it is the founding day of Madras, or today's Chennai, you can tell, capital city of Tamil Nadu. So it's the founding day in 1639, means obviously it is during the British era. That is, the Britishers people are the ones who actually made this as a city, and which now later flourished to become an economic, social, cultural, urban center, you can tell. So those days, okay, the village which is Madrasa Pattanam or Chennapattanam, which is now Madras or Chennai, was purchased by East India Company officials. These 2 people's name are given from the Nayaka, that is the system there, the administrative system, Nayaka system, the viceroy of the Vijayanagara people. Okay, so that is the reason Vijayanagara questions I showed you. So from Vijayanagara people only, because they are in the south, the kingdom, so from them only this place was bought by the East India Company, these 2 people, and now it became a big important place. Okay, and in 1996, the same date, August 22, the people in Madras, they renamed it to Chennai. So now officially Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Okay, then August 22nd, 1818, Warren Hastings died. Warren Hastings is our first Governor General, you can tell. Okay, first Governor General of Bengal, and that you have there in your 1773 Act, Regulation Act, which you study in POLITY. So first chapter it will be there. In your spectrum it will be there in your 11th or 15th chapter, where you study administration. It's very important. Okay, the Regulating Act is very important. Warren Hastings is important. So it is his death anniversary on August 22nd. Then, as the first Governor of General of India, he has, as I told, immense authority he had, and he overseed all the British administration operation all. Later only, you know, later Viceroy system and all comes, but he was the very first person, Governor General of Bengal, not even Governor General of India, Governor General of Bengal. That was a first post. Okay. 22nd August 1894, the Natal Indian Congress was formed. Okay, you know Natal is a place in South Africa. So there Mahatma Gandhi, before even he coming to India in 1915-16 time, he was there in 1890s and all in South Africa. He had gone there for I think few days, but then he ended up staying there more than 20 years. Okay, so there he did again the same thing, the anti-discrimination policy, anti-racism, everything to oppose the Britishers he had done there. So this Natal Indian Congress was formed in 1894 on 22nd August. And then he helped the Indian traders who faced discrimination there in South Africa. Okay, then 22nd August 1918 is again honoring Indralal Rai's sacrifice. Okay, he is actually one of our first aviator, you can tell, in the war time, in that World War time, World War 1918. He was involved in an air battle with Germany over London. and because Indians were used in the war, you know that Britishers used Indians in the war, so he died. Okay, so that is why it's again an important historic thing which happened. Then Pranab Mukherjee became the first, he became the president of India on 22nd August 2012. Okay, till 2017 he was the president. Then 2017, you know, the Supreme Court struck down the triple talaq regressive Muslim practice was there, where instantly a husband can give a talaq to wife, even over the phone or even over chat. You can simply tell talaq, 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 and divorce happens. So that regressive act was struck down by the Supreme Court on 22nd August 2017. So these are the important historic things which happened on August 22nd. Okay, so try to answer that questions in the comment section, and also try to find out the answers if you don't know. Somebody will reply. And here are the different packs of current affairs. This offer prices are ending soon. Okay, ideally till Independence Day it was there. We have extended it till month end because again festivals are going on now. So we thought we'll keep it till the month end. So don't miss this chance. Okay, 12 months of current affair. I know it's needed for you no matter what exam you are giving in this country. And like that, up to 5 years back date, we have 12 months of like packages. If you want combination of 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, that is also available. And the bestseller packs are like too many enrollments are coming. I think more enrollments are coming compared to the views in the channel. So I don't know, free videos also make use of it. Okay, not just paid materials, free videos also, watch it, like, comment, share. You should be participant everywhere. Okay, because these things are not there in your current affair magazine. This is a separate thing which I thought because of the latest question trend in the exam. Okay, so the batch 2 test series also is like now kind of closed. Still, if somebody missed, you can come and tell me. I will see if we can accommodate you. Okay, but it's officially closed. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.